Yo, fat boy, guess what, kid?
Yo, dude, don't come in my room without knocking.
Son, I'm saying, yo, niggas just smoke woody around the corner. Or the mother, son, niggas smoke that nigga in Sharia in the building.
Who smoked it?
I don't know, kid. Niggas said it could have been anybody, kid. Niggas said it might have been a...
Woody!
Yo, man, that shit is real. It ain't safe no more. Whose family I often ask when I trot past a group of so-called friends that I grew up with. But you friends are hard to find. My mother once told me most that you know were just associates. Paid no heed to the lesson being taught. Thought I was a genius, bang, till I got caught. Set up, wet up, Tupac said keep your head up. The needy, the greedy, they all wanna be me or see me fall. But regardless, I stand tall, 6 feet 1 in dark, rough like tree bark. Observing my cipher, the peak, the vipers, the low-life snakes, the calm and the fake. I'm sorry doesn't mean what was done was a mistake. Now I'm strapped like bamboo, I got moves to make. Some may say chill, it ain't no need for a war, but I'm keeping it real, it ain't safe no more. It ain't safe no more. Watch your back. It ain't safe no more. Watch your back. It ain't safe no more. Watch your back. It ain't safe no more. Watch your back.
I'm living in the crack era, where rowdy niggas, fingers are quick to serenade triggers. Section 8 and welfare's a petrified state. Cracks are major, shorties 10 with the sky pager. Hoods be on the attack cause they're unemployed. So give it up cause they're quick to stamp your life, boy. Last night a man lost his only life. He died beside his wife. Somebody did him with a Rambo knife. While laser put you in the catacombs, brothers is on the stone for going on a murder syndrome. I often ponder on the facts of how we kill each other. Devils be coming in all sizes, shapes, and colors. I literally saw a man's brain tissue in the street congeal. I'm in the minor phase of hell, and like the flesh on a dead carcass, times it's raw. It ain't safe no more.
It ain't safe no more. Watch your back. 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 I used to say my man, now I say this kid I know. Cause friends don't violate it, if they do they gotta go. But if they gotta go, they never really were your friends. But nowadays friends even fry you in the end. So when you stand alone, you know alone is how you stand. You have to trust your instincts before you trust the next man. Trust got my man Woody murdered on the next block. Trust got me shot for some cash by my man's clock. So pack a joint and stay on point, don't be sleeping. Even chicken heads be on the street scheming and creeping. So keep everybody in their place. Just cause they smile in your face don't mean that it's safe. It ain't safe no more. Watch your back. It ain't safe no more. Watch your back. It ain't safe no more. Watch your back. It ain't safe no more. Watch your back.
There will come a time when a man will kill a man and not know why he has killed that man. And the one being slain will not know the reason for which he is being killed. That time is now.
How they act.